morning, everyone. So today we are going to perform a design thinking based role play on a topic predicting crime before it happens. So in this scenario, police departments use predictive analysis and artificial intelligence to identify possible crimes before they occur. So by analyzing past crime records, location data, social behavior and patterns, authorities believe they can improve public safety and reduce the criminal activities. So, but this creates an important question like, is predictive policy truly making society safer? Or is it becoming a form of surveillance that affects privacy and freedom? So, through this role play, my students will explore different perspectives of society and understand how technology impacts ethics, laws, security, and human rights. So, each role represents a stakeholder involved in this issue, and the students must think critically and communicate creatively and purpose balanced solution using design thinking approach.
Hello, myself Ravi Krishnan and my teammates are Karthiban, Kapilan and Jyoti Krishnan. Now we are going to play the role play as police officer, lawyer, citizen and data scientist to predict crime before it occurs.
Hi, myself Karthiban. I may play a role of lawyer. I am talking about crime before perspective before it happens. From a legal perspective, prescriptive policies raises serious concerns about rights and justice. The principle of innocent until proven guilty must always be protective if people are treated as suspect based on expectations. It can lead to description and violation of fundamental rights. Additional, the use of personal data without proper consent can breach privacy laws. While preventing crime is important, it cannot happen framework. Accountability and strict and regulations are necessary to ensure that technologies are not misused. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Ravi Krishnan. I am going to play a role as data scientist in predicting crime before it happens. As a data scientist, I see predictive analytics as a tool, not a decision maker. We analyze historical data such as crime locations, time patterns and trends to build models that estimate where crimes might occur. But these predictors are not 100% accurate and should not be treated as absolute data is biased. The predictions will also reflect. Major challenge is bias in data. If past data is biased, the predictions will also reflect the algorithms. Regularly audit them and maintain transparency. Technology should assist human, not replace judgment, and must always be used ethically.
Hi, myself, I am Kapilan, and now I am going to play a role as citizen. As a citizen, I want to feel safe, but I also want my privacy respected. The idea that my data could be used to predict crime in uncomfortable. What if I am judged or monitored just because I live in a certain area that feels unfair and safety is important, but not at the cost of freedom and personal rights. I believe authorized should be transparent about how data is used and ensure that innocent people are not affected. There must be a clear balance because living under constant surveillance is not truly safety. Thank you.
Now I play a role as a police officer. As a police officer, my duty is to protect your people and reduce crime. Predictivity analysis gives us a powerful tool as to before crime happen instead of reacting later. By studying past crime patrols which can prevent thefts, violence and incidents. This approach helps to use limit resources more efficiently. I also understand the concern about misuse and fairness. Our intention is not to target innocent people, but to ensure safety. If used responsibly with proper guidance, this technology can save lives and create a more secure society. Thank you.
In conclusion, predicting crime before it happens can make society safer, but it also raises serious concern about privacy and fairness. While predictive analysis helps police act early and prevent incident. It should not lead to constant surveillance and or unfair targeting of innocent people. Technology is powerful, but it must be guided by ethics, transparency, and strict laws. Thank you.